replacing a mode door on a 2014 F150 Lariat edition. I'll show you how we're going to do this, how we figure out what it is, where it's at, how to get to it. First thing I do is to start it. I'll show you what it's doing. Let me turn this stuff on. So it's my mode door. The mode door is going to be down here. And I'm going to show you when I have it on AC and on the vents, it starts popping, which I'm going to show you what happens when I change it. This little lever there that's opening, it's going to start popping. You can't see it, but this lever right here is popping. And the mode door is what's causing that. The mode door is right there where that bolt is and that wire. So I'm going to show you how to take it off. Again, this is the passenger side. Put your gas pedals and that all the way up, your seat all the way back, and we'll turn it off and I'll show you how to do this. So what I did is took off the little thing here for educational purpose so you can see it a little easier. It's 9/32 bolts. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, and little tabs it sits in. You don't have to do this, just to help you see what's going on in here. So you can see it a little easier, kind of, I guess. Let me see if I can zoom in on it for you guys. So that's the mode door that we're going to be replacing.